Dahil nga sa controversial na teaser ng nasabing pelikula ni Direk Daryl Yap hinggil sa story noon ng yumaong aktres na sexy star na si Pepsi Paloma, ay nagkaroon nga ng demandahan. Ito'y sa pagitan ni Daryl Yap at sa host and actor na si Vic Soto. Well, mayroon ngang buwelta at tirada si Attorney Jesus Falsis sa nasabi nga pong direktor na si Direk Daryl Yap. Ito'y matapos sabihin ng kampo at abogado ni Direk Daryl Yap ni si Attorney Fortune na nagbigay sila ng kopya ng script kay Vic Soto, na kung saan pinabulaanan naman ito ng kapatid ni Vic na si Senator Tito Soto o former Senator Tito Soto, dahil tila siya ang tinukoy na pinag-abutan ng nasabing script na ito. Naayon nga kay Tito Soto, baka nagkakamali sila dahil kay Vic Del Rosario nila inabot ang nasabi nga pong script at hindi kay Vic Soto. Mula naman sa naging update ng kami.ph, Attorney Jesus Falsis has posted a couple of screenshots of comments made by Direk Daryl Yap on his SOCMED account. According to Attorney Falsis, the screenshots show Daryl neither informed nor gave the trop script to TBJ. This is contrary to the claim made by Daryl's lawyer, Attorney Raymond Fortune, that the director gave a copy of the trop script to one of the siblings of the petitioner. It can be recalled that Vic Soto filed a petition for writ of habeas data in an attempt to protect his privacy, with the petition now being addressed by the camp of Direk Daryl Yap. Attorney Jesus Falsis recently posted a series of screenshots showing comments made by Director Daryl Yap addressing question as to whether he reached out to the Soto camp or made them aware of the trop script. In one of the screenshots, a netizen surmised that the director must have informed those involved in the movie, saying name dropping is not allowed unless there is consent from the owner of the name, to which Direk Daryl replied in negative. Bago namin gawin yan, malamang nagpaalam muna sa mga taong involved sa palabas. Hindi pwedeng mag-drop name nang hindi kinukuha ang consent ng may-ari ng name. Yan ang say ng netizen. Hindi po ako nagpaalam, may publishings at public document po. Yan ang naging komento ni Direk Daryl Yap o ang pagsagot. Direk, just curious po, did you consult with the trio before writing the script, if only to eliminate any doubts of bias, the netizen asked. I did not, sorry. Yan pa ang naging reply ni Direk Daryl Yap. Well, ano nga kaya ang kahihinatnan ng kasong ito, lalo na nga't ipapalabas na ang nasabing movie sa darating na Pebrero? Yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.